When I break wind in the shower, I push my bum against the glass. I squeeze shampoo in between my cheeks and blow a great bubble from my... Oh, cheeky.
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me.
The ladies have a sweeter tooth, I know they would be willing. We go into the kitchen and get to taste my filling. But as we stroll in front of me, they get a big surprise. I've not got something special, they couldn't even want to try.